Hi everyone, I welcome you to today's tutorial, and I'll be explaining to you how you can actually make use of trend reversals in the market. Trend reversal is a very difficult problem with new traders because they don't know when the market will be turning and they end up getting caught up in such problems. So you need to understand where the market is going to be turning, where the market is going to be continuing. Understanding the trend is very necessary. In another tutorial or another video, I'll explain to you how to capture the trend. Like this particular trade I placed just now is a trend continuation trade. So you need to know and understand when the market is trending. You need to know when the market is turning, that is a reversal. So if you're new to this channel, I would advise that you join by subscribing to this channel. Click the subscribe button below and also click the bell so that you can get notifications whenever we post videos. Now, like I said earlier, a lot of traders have contacted me and they've asked how they can actually maximize trend reversals, and this is just the easiest way, though it requires your patience. A lot of persons won't tell you that trading is 90% patience and 10% strategy. So your patience is key as a trader if you must be profitable. So without wasting much time, the basic things that you need for this trading setup or strategy is your CCI, your RSI, and your 200 EMA, which is the exponential moving average. The CCI means the commodity channel index, and your RSI, relative strength index. So those are the three things that you actually need for this strategy to work. So to apply this on your chart, you just click on the F. Okay, then here you have your moving average. So this is 200. Sorry, this is supposed to be exponential. So you have 200 period. The method is exponential. Apply to close. Apply to close. Sorry, you're applying this to close. Okay, then when you're done, you add your RSI. Your RSI, the period is 1. Apply to close. Then the style, make sure you change the color to the color of your background. Why mine is white is because my background is white. Why you are changing to the color of your background is because it's not the RSI signal you want to use. You don't need the RSI lines. So once you're done, you go back, then you add your CCI. Now the commodity channel index is the major thing now. Now your period is set to 2200. Then apply to typical price, then style. You can use any color you want, and you can use any pixel you want, but I advise you use 3 or 4. Then once you do that, then you click done. So your chart is going to look similar to this, though don't mind the other moving averages. The major one that you need for this strategy is the 200 EMA. Now what you need to look at is simple. You want to see where the market, where the CCI has crossed these levels. Okay, sorry, I didn't show you how you can actually put those levels. For the relative strength index, you can set the levels. We have levels 10, 90, 50, 30, and 70. So for 10, we have buy now. For 90, we have sell now. For 50, we have wait. For 30, we have buy. For 70, we have sell. So once you set all these up, then you're done. Okay, now back to our chart. If you can see what is happening here, you can see that the CCI touched 90, and 90 is what sell now. You can see. So immediately it touched here, you can see it reversed back down. And what happened? It came back to touch our 200 EMA. Now, basically what the strategy does is this. You want to trade at the extremes, which is 10 and 90. For a reversal, your target is when the CCI touches the 90 mark or the 10 mark. Now for the 10 mark is when you want to buy, for the 90 mark is when you want to sell. Okay, so let's see how this works. Let's do some back testing. And the next thing is the moment you place your trade, your target will be your 200 EMA. Now let's look and see how this works. You can see this. You can see it played out here. It touched 90, you sell, and it came back to touch your 200. You can see here also it touched 90. It touched 10 rather. You buy, and it comes to touch your 200 EMA. Then you exit. Okay, let's look for another similar opportunity. You can see we have something similar here. It touched here, but it didn't touch our 200 EMA, but it came close. So that wasn't really an outright loss. You would have made some pips there. Okay, all right, look at something similar thing here. You can see here also, you can see it touched 90, then dropped to 50 level here, but you can see it touched our 200 EMA. Then you take your exit. You can see we have similar thing here. Now be careful. You can see that it almost here, the CCI almost touched 10, but it didn't. If it does not touch, you don't place the trade. If it does not touch, you don't place the trade. You can see a similar thing happen here. It touched here, then it rolled up to the 200 EMA. All right, which is our profit. Let's look at another scenario. Okay, look at this one also, the same thing. It touched here, right here, and came back to touch our 200 EMA, which is our profit target. You can see the same thing here. It touched here, the 200 EMA. Sorry, it touched the CCI touched 10, which is a buy, and you can see it rolled up to our 200 EMA. So we can go on and on and on and on. Can go on and on. You can see the same thing played out here. The same thing played out there. You can see the same thing played out here. Very fantastic strategy. You can see the same thing played out here. This same thing exactly played out here. Okay. So a very good reversal strategy that people aren't using. Okay, you can see the same thing played out here. Here, then it touched the 200. Okay. All right. So you can see we had similar thing here. Though this wasn't basically a reversal kind of. This is actually a continuation because it only came to retest the 200 EMA. You can see the double bottom here. You can see there was a double bottom right here, which is here. So it came to retest the 200 EMA because it was still in a buy trend before it continued up. So let's see one more. Okay, you can see we have similar thing here. You can see it did the same thing right here, then it reversed back here. So that's your strategy for you. So I advise you to actually test the strategy and back test it and make few demo trades before going live so that you can actually have a full grasp of it. And don't forget that patience is the key when trading. So if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, I advise that you subscribe to it. I would love to actually help you grow. It's those in the community are already growing. Those in the community are already growing. So on Mondays we release the weekly Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. Yes, for those that trade crypto or like updates on crypto market. Then also we also send tutorials on how to trade the synthetic markets, also the boom and crash, the volatility 75, volatility 100, 50, 25, and the rest. So if I know that definitely the reason why you're here is because you actually want to grow and make some extra income. Trust me, this is the right place for you. You are certainly going to make extra income and you're going to grow. So all you need to do is just to subscribe to this channel and also join our Telegram group. The description, the link to our Telegram group is in the description below. Also, you can drop your comments in the comment section, and you can also ask your questions, and you can also contact me through WhatsApp if there's anything you want to ask me. So I remain your boy, and I'll see you some other time. Take care.